What's up, YouTube? I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Dean Charles Anthony II, and I'm back again with my YouTube channel with another behind the scenes. This one is a graduation shoot. This year's been crazy. That's the best way to say it. COVID has changed everyone's lives. And my heart really went out to all the graduates out there because they just got cheated out of a moment that's so common for all of us. So over the last 3 or 4 months, I did my best to give back through the gift of photography. And here's actually one of the behind the scenes of that shoot, which three young ladies, they're all graduating high school, about to go do amazing things in their lives. And I was just really happy to be a part of that moment. So one, I want to encourage every photographer, if you can, give someone the gift of photography. Now, I'm not telling you necessarily do everything for free, but you can throw a special. You can surprise them, throw in an extra print, give them a little bit more digitals than what they were expecting. But if you can give back through the gift of photography, please do. But I hope you enjoy this shoot. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment. Please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an amazing day. Okay, YouTube, here we are with the behind the scenes with this graduation shoot. So what's unique about this graduation shoot is that there's actually three young ladies that we're taking pictures of. So when you're breaking down like a group session that includes individuals in a certain amount of time, like for this shoot, I believe it was like an hour and a half for all three of them. What you want to do is make sure that you're being concise about taking pictures, but also giving a lot of variation. What was really important to me was that each girl did not have the exact same picture. So the pose may have been in the same area, it might be similar, but it wasn't the exact same. And that's what make like these individual group sessions unique. So be really intentional about like looking at things to highlight. So I noticed that she had those long nails. So if she put them on, that means that she wants them shown. That's kind of like the philosophy that I have. So I wanted to make sure I include them just to make like a nice little headshot portrait of her right there. Also included, you can see how her nails, we did a couple of things to try to complement her nails when it came to using them with the graduation, what is that, diploma, graduation diploma. Yeah, so we just making sure everyone had a unique shoot. But that was kind of like the theme for this part of the shoot anyway. When it came down to the individual shots, give everybody a good 3 to 4 poses, and then switch, and then give the next person a good 3 to 4 poses. Okay, so another way, especially to give variation, is just switching your angle. So the first set we did with the first young lady, we just kind of had some more simple, it's not necessarily even simple, just kind of more elongated poses. So she has this big hair. I want to make sure that the hair is highlighted. It looks great and matches her gown very well. So I just made sure that like our portraits of her were just included like that hair. And so, putting the hands on the hip, just kind of opening up to like fill in that frame just a little bit more, and to give more space. So like basically like putting them hands on the hip, for me personally, it essentially lets me take a wider shot, but the picture still looks full and it doesn't look like it's nothing's overtaken. But just once again, getting just a variation of shots. We're still in the exact same area using these trees as a nice even cover shade. I think it was actually noon, like around 1:30 or noon when we did this shoot. So yeah, just using the trees. That's how we had the nice even lighting, so the flash just made everything pop. So just straight out camera, the pictures look really good. And make sure there's always someone getting behind the scenes. But once again, the poses weren't anything too crazy, but they were all different, even though we were in the exact same location. Okay, back again. So shout out to my wife, always helping out. I appreciate her. If you can, always get a second set of eyes while you're on a photo shoot, just simply because like we're looking through the camera through one lens, and someone else just not looking through the camera, they'll see some details that you might have missed, especially when it comes to people with long hair. And just being able to, hey, wait 1 second, let's comb that out. It's gonna save you some time in Photoshop or however way you clean up your hair. Yeah, once again, just some simple poses, nothing too over exaggerated. I do want to note that I do take different shots when it comes to high school seniors versus college graduates. Those are for me, two completely different photo shoots. High school needs to look like high school to me, and college we pop champagne bottles. That's the difference. But we want to make sure all the poses are appealing, and just getting everyone's best side. One thing that I did definitely do before we began the shoot, I asked every person. I always ask, what is your selfie side? And you just basically make sure photo shoot a whole lot easier. You don't have to pick people's best sides. Let them pick it for you. Just makes your job easier. Right now we're doing some group shots. So what makes this time of day is hard is because it's once again noonday or between that and 1:30. I can't remember exactly. So I'm using the flash at 1:1 just to overpower the sun. You'll get some eyelashes or a little bit of uneven light, but you can make a decent picture out of it, and it was something that I think we all really liked from the product. So when you're doing group shots like this, especially when they're friends, just make sure you get some personality shots. So right now I have them all looking into each other, laughing, joking. So just bringing out personality. You want to make sure that that group session looks like a family session. So just getting some good shots in, and really enjoyed this overall shoot. So the last thing we did, because I don't have footage of when we put the mask on because my camera died, that was recording behind the scenes, but we included a prop that they had. Always include props. Make sure you work it into the shoot. I can't tell you that all props are going to be, I gotta say props right. I'm not gonna say that all props are going to be the best props, but for instance, this one is so simple that it's perfect. So it just makes a nice little portrait. But yeah, this is mainly the last shot of the footage that I have. Really cute shot, really liked it. They really popped against it. Here's some pictures of with the mask. I love this theme. This was kind of I asked every graduate to use a mask. And shout out to all women with long nails because they just made all the pictures look really dope. But yeah, this was my graduation sum up of 2020. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please like and subscribe and put your questions in the comment. But thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. This is Dean.